Hello dear students, today we are going to learn how to make a big word with the help of two familiar words. So let's start. Here is a one word cup and second is board. We will make a new word cupboard. Next, one word is under and second is stand. We will make a new word understand. Cupboard and understand. Now one word is sun and second is day. We will make a new word Sunday. Home, work. We will make a new word homework. Next, one word is play and second is ground. We will make a new word playground. Class, room. Here we will make classroom. Fair, well. New word is farewell. Work, shop. We will make new word workshop. Farewell and workshop. Here is one word is cross and second is word. We will make crossword. A new word is crossword. Photograph. We will make photograph. Him, self. We will make a new word himself. Next, some time. We will make a new word sometime. Himself and sometime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel